Oh, we got one. We got one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cardo's Way. We out here for another bass fishing session. It's the late in the afternoon, almost 8 p.m. So we're gonna see what we can catch real fast before it gets dark. So let's get ready. Got my line all rigged up already. No time to waste. We are here to catch some bass. I see a few movements. And you know, afternoon fishing like this, I like to move it on the top of the water. Oh yeah. Searching for bass. Oh, we got one. We got one. Yeah. Nice one too. Alright. So we searching for bass and we found one. Pretty quickly. Pretty quickly. And it's a nice keeper going in the bag. Ah, fish. A little one. Ah, it's a little one. Come on, leave my bait alone if you're that small. Too small to be biting. Let's go on the other side real quick. Cause we hunting, we're not wasting time. Yes guys, we hunting. No time to waste. Ooh. Ooh. Nice one. No time to waste. We hunting. Yeah. We hunting. We out here hunting. Come on. We out here hunting, guys. Second one. Action-packed evening. See how the pond is flat? Oh yeah. We go tear them up. Second one. Going in the bag. We need 5 of them. Tearing them up. So we got number 3. Another nice one. in the bag. Found another one. This one too small. So we're gonna release it. Oh, 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 oh. We got one. We got one. Not too big. Yeah, alright. Yeah, a little fighter. A little fighter. Not a small one, we can throw that. We can catch this one next year again. Nice one. Right, we go pack it in. This was a good one. About 30 minutes. Got 3 to keep. Not bad. Caught 3 bass. Real quick. That was a lot of fun for me. Might go home and do a catch and cook for you guys. Remember to like, share with a friend, leave a comment, and if you're new, feel free to subscribe and join the family. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. We're on the road, we're on the road. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's get there quickly. 1K subs. One for the road. One for the road. For the road. Alright, nothing for the road, so it was a success. We got 3. So, time to take it to the road. Alright guys, it was fun. I'll see you guys at the house. Alright, we're there now, we're there again. We're in the kitchen now. I'm gonna finish cleaning up them massa. Put them on some file paper. Alright, we get some seasoning ready now.